Alright, so in this series we are gonna build a more advanced user authentication system, and what we are gonna do is, first of all, create a validation for when you register a user. So let's take a look at that now. So I'm here gonna register a user, and you can see already here that it says you need more than 2 letters, and then we can go in here and enter an email that's already in use. If I then do like this, it will basically just disappear. And then can I actually just copy this here? Okay, good. And then we can go in and create the user here. So now I've created the user. Then we use Mailtrap to send a verification email here. So I can basically go in and click it here. You can access this from your old email if you have a paid version of Mailtrap. Well worth noticing. Otherwise you would have to set it up with another email, maybe your own, and then you can click verify email address, which would then put me in here, and then now my email address is simply verified. Great. So what we have now is we have the opportunity to go in and view the user details of a profile, which is not really style or anything like that. The point of this is just to show you how to pull out the data from the server, so you can print it in here and style it yourself. This is just to show you how it works, the concept of making a profile page. Then we also have the opportunity to go in and edit your name and your email address. So I can, for example, go in and say Matilde I'm, and then update my details. And you will also notice that we have a unique email. So if I go in here like this, you'll basically say this email is already taken. And the thing is, we also, of course, check for that it wouldn't say this email is already taken if you have it here. But if we, so we basically also check for the same email list. And beside that, we can also go in and change the password. Alright, and that's actually it for this series. So this series is to show you how to build a more advanced authentication system in Laravel and build the most important features that a user should be able to have on a platform: edit details, update password, maybe show user profile, and to improve the user experience by sending a verification email and validation of the input fields. So I hope you enjoyed the series, and see you in the next video.